The Dacia Sandero III, produced from 2021 to the present, uses an indirect tire pressure monitoring system. This video shows you how to reset the TPMS indicator light after inflating your tires or addressing a pressure issue. Resetting ensures accurate monitoring and prevents false warnings. It's important for safety, fuel efficiency, and proper handling. Unlike direct TPMS systems that use sensors inside each tire, the Dacia Sandero III features an indirect TPMS that relies on existing ABS wheel speed sensors to detect pressure variations. This indirect system calculates tire pressure based on how fast each wheel rotates, rather than having dedicated sensors in the tires themselves. It uses the anti-lock braking system's wheel speed sensors to monitor rotation speeds and detect when a tire becomes underinflated, causing it to roll differently. While this approach is more cost-effective than direct systems, it can be less precise and may not detect gradual pressure loss as reliably. Recent Sandero III models integrate TPMS data with the MediaNav Evolution infotainment system for enhanced monitoring. The system also connects with the My Dacia app, allowing drivers to monitor tire pressures remotely through their smartphone. Step 1. Ensure correct tire pressure. Before resetting the TPMS, make sure all tires, including the spare, are inflated to the recommended pressure. Check the driver's side door sticker or owner's manual for the correct PSI, which is typically between 29 and 35 PSI. Use a tire pressure gauge for accurate measurements. Correct inflation is crucial for the TPMS to function properly after the reset. Turn on the ignition without starting the engine. Locate the TPMS reset button on the dashboard, usually near the instrument cluster. Press and hold the button for 3 to 5 seconds until the TPMS light on the dashboard blinks or resets. This initiates the recalibration process. If you can't find the button, consult your owner's manual. After resetting, drive the vehicle at a speed above 20 to 30 km per hour for 5 to 10 minutes. During this time, the TPMS recalibrates itself using the wheel speed sensors. The TPMS light should extinguish once the system is calibrated. Ensure you maintain a consistent speed for accurate recalibration. If the TPMS light remains on after the drive test, start by rechecking your tire pressures using a gauge to ensure they're at the correct levels. If pressures are correct, repeat the reset process by turning the ignition on and pressing the TPMS button. If the problem persists, there may be underlying issues such as a slow leak, shown here as a deflated tire, or a faulty wheel speed sensor in the ABS system. False positives can occur due to extreme weather conditions or tire wear. In these cases, consult a mechanic for a diagnostic scan using an OBD2 tool. Resetting the TPMS light only addresses the indicator. It does not fix underlying tire problems. Always inspect tires for damage, punctures, or leaks. Regularly check your tire pressures every 4 to 6 weeks. Remember, underinflated tires can lead to accidents, reduced fuel efficiency, and handling issues. TPMS reduces accident risks by 25 to 50%. TPMS technology is evolving. Expect increased integration with connected vehicle technology, including smartphone app monitoring and predictive maintenance alerts. Future Sandero models may incorporate direct TPMS for improved accuracy. AI-driven systems will self-diagnose issues and integrate with autonomous driving systems. Watch for cybersecurity advancements to protect connected TPMS from hacks and false alerts.